How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the Woodshed 3. And we're normally working on the 59 panel van, but it's a little humid and a little drizzly outside, so we're going to be working on the Model A 31 Sport Coupe. It's crunch time. It's time to get this thing up and get it going. We got to get this thing going. We don't have very long to be able to do what we want to do this year. So it's crunch time. We're going to be doing a bunch of videos, and we're going to be working on this Model A Sport Coupe and getting it ready to race. There's a lot to be done. I got a piece of cardboard here that we're going to be doing a list on. To start out, we're going to start with the sub rail here that we got to finish welding on. Once that's done, we're going to go for the B pillar and reconstruct that B pillar onto this sub rail and make sure everything is lined up. We're going to get the body bolted down all the way. Motor, transmission, drive shaft, brakes, pedals, pretty much a lot. Floor, roll bar. It's going to need a roll bar. We're going to get it as close as possible. We'll see if we can crunch this and get it done by the beginning of August. Not much time. That's basically a month and a half. Not even a month and a half. So, don't know if we're going to be able to do it, but we're going to try. We're going to try. I'll take you with us, and like always, see what happens.
Okay, now we're prepping the sub rail for welding and also the floor supports that connect the sub rail to everything else. All right, here I'm drilling holes for the rosette welding of the holes into the cross member of the floor.
All right. And that's the holes to that we're going to weld in there. Yes, rosette weld those. I think that's what you call it.
Right, here we're clamping everything together to make sure we get a nice tight weld.
So, still not there. What if I need to put the jack underneath this part here, and then jack it up a little bit? I think so.
Okay, I haven't been filming a lot. I just wanted to get some stuff done. Welds aren't pretty, but they're strong. So I welded this piece back in. I bent this back up. Welded this piece in. Now that's welded to the A-pillar. And one support. This is all welded in. Rosette welded in on the side. Second support welded in right there. Third support welded in right there. So that is all solid. So next we have to cut the sub rail underneath here and then bring it up and weld it to the body here. So that's gonna okay. So we finished the sub rail. Sub rail is welded in all the way down. So the sub rail is in. This was the last little bit here that I wanted to get welded there. I made a little gusset here. It's in. Next is B-pillar.
All right, so we finished the sub rail. Sub rail is all installed. Next is starting on the B-pillar. We're gonna put some supports inside that B-pillar and get that strong so we can weld that onto the sub rail that we just finished. The sub rails, I've been wanting to finish this for a long time. I've been wanting to get back to the Model A. The truck, waiting on some parts for the truck, so I'm taking advantage. I really want to crack down and get after working on this Model A and get this thing going. So we're going to be flip-flopping from the truck back and forth to the Model A, and maybe do some long nights. I won't film some of it, but I'll try to film as much as I possibly can. So follow me along on the truck and now the Model A Sport Coupe, 31 Sport Coupe. We're going to make things happen. We're going to get this thing on the road and or the racetrack. Maybe not on the road right away, but we're definitely going to try to get it to a race, a traditional race. So again, follow me along with the Model A and with the truck. See what we can get done. Thank you for tuning in. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Share to all your friends. Tell all your friends. And we'll keep this thing rolling. Peace and keep on tinkering.